Hello students, today we will learn how to carry out mixed operations with brackets from the topic order of operations. When there are mixed operations with brackets in a problem, we first carry out the operation inside the brackets, then we use the Demas rule. In order to understand this better, let's solve some questions from exercise 9. Question number 1. Find the value of each of the following. Number D, 32 divided by, open bracket, 4 into 2, close bracket. This expression involves division and multiplication. Here the multiplication operation is inside the brackets. And when there are mixed operations with brackets in a problem, we have to first carry out the operation inside the brackets and then we can use the Demas rule. So we will use the Demas rule only after carrying out the operation inside the brackets. So we will first multiply 4 by 2. When we multiply 4 by 2, we get 8. Now since the numbers are multiplied, the brackets gets removed. So the expression becomes 32 divided by 8. Now we can use the Demas rule. So now we will divide 32 by 8. And when we divide 32 by 8, we get 4. So 32 divided by open bracket 4 into 2 close bracket is equal to 4. Now let's solve number F. 20 minus 2 into open bracket 12 divided by 6 close bracket. This expression involves subtraction, multiplication and division. The operation division is inside the brackets. Since we have to first carry out the operation inside the brackets, so we will first divide 12 by 6. When we divide 12 by 6, we get 2. And the brackets gets removed when we get the quotient of 12 divided by 6. So the expression becomes 20 minus 2 into 2. Now this expression involves subtraction and multiplication. Now we can use the Demas rule. According to the Demas rule, we should divide first. But since there is no division in this expression, we will carry out the next operation, that is multiplication. So we will multiply 2 by 2. When we multiply 2 by 2, we get 4. So the expression becomes 20 minus 4. Now since the expression involves only subtraction, we will subtract 4 from 20. And when we subtract 4 from 20, we get 16. So 20 minus 2 into open bracket 12 divided by 6 close bracket is equal to 16. Now let's solve some questions from question number 4 of practice 3. Question number 4. Find the value of each of the following. Number B, 3 into open bracket 18 minus 8 close bracket divided by 2. This expression involves multiplication, subtraction and division. But the operation subtraction is inside the brackets. And since we have to first carry out the operation inside the brackets, so we will first subtract 8 from 18. When we subtract 8 from 18, we get 10. And the brackets gets removed when we get the answer of 18 minus 8. So the expression becomes 3 into 10 divided by 2. And this expression involves multiplication and division. Now we can use the Demas rule. According to the Demas rule, we should carry out division before multiplication. So we will divide 10 by 2. When we divide 10 by 2, we get 5. So the expression becomes 3 into 5. Now we can multiply 3 by 5. And when we multiply 3 by 5, we get 15. So 3 into open bracket 18 minus 8 close bracket divided by 2 is equal to 15. Now let's solve number F. 63 minus open bracket 7 plus 5 close bracket into 10 divided by 5. The expression involves subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. But the operation addition is inside the brackets. Since we have to first carry out the operation that is inside the brackets, so we will first add 7 and 5. When we add 7 and 5, we get 12. And the brackets gets removed. So the expression becomes 63 minus 12 into 10 divided by 5. And this expression involves subtraction, multiplication and division. Now we can use the Demas rule. According to the Demas rule, division should be carried out first. So now we will divide 10 by 5. When we divide 10 by 5, we get 2. So the expression becomes 63 minus 12 into 2. Now the expression involves subtraction and multiplication. And according to the Demas rule, we should carry out multiplication before subtraction. So now we will multiply 12 by 2. When we multiply 12 by 2, we get 24. So the expression becomes 63 minus 24. Now since the expression involves only subtraction, so now we will subtract 24 from 63. And when we subtract 24 from 63, we get 39. So 63 minus open bracket 7 plus 5 close bracket into 10 divided by 5 is equal to 39. That's all for today. Thank you.